Hey kids, tired of getting bullied at school, beaten up by all those bullies, and having all the girls laugh at you because you look like a scrub? Try the new Turbo Jacket. Corrupt those nasty overalls, you'll be the coolest kid in town. Turbo Jacket!
Yeah! Ma!
Francisco!
Ma, I need that turbo jacket.
Oh, but you're such a slob, Francisco. No, no.
But I need it so that the bullies in school stop giving me swirlies.
Well, you bring it back in one piece.
I will, Ma.
Okay. Here.
Thank you, Ma.
Do you want to buy a pie? Bake sale. I can't. Come on.
Hey kid, you wanna play some soccer?
I can't.
Oh, come on!
Holy moly!
Hey, sorry about that little guy.
What would my rear be ready if my mama saw me ruin my turbo jacket?
Hey, do you want to buy a pie?
Ay, mijo.
At least it's still in one piece.
There you